Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Raw and Wild Hearts. I'm Lori, and this is Vendetta, my 2019 ProMaster van conversion. Hi, welcome to today's video. It's me and the bees. We're in sunny Florida, and here we are with Vendetta. I want to talk to you today about van build triumphs. I feel like it's really important to share these after you're done with your build for people that are researching, because I spent a lot of time going back and forth on if I should invest in some of these things, especially time, money, and space-wise, and I'm grateful I did. So number one, my sink. I love my sink, and I was this close to buying a bar sink, which would have been like half this size, and I can't even remember how deep they are, but I've heard a lot of people talk on their videos about how they don't even use their sink because it's so small and it just kind of accumulates dishes. I use this sink often, and it gives me enough space to just be comfortable doing my dishes and getting it all done. So that is definitely something I'm grateful that I did. Along with the sink is my plumbing. I am so happy I decided to, can you see, small in these spaces, I decided to do a foot pump. It is the ultimate conservation of water, and I don't have a huge freshwater tank, so conserving water, especially when I'm cleaning dishes, is really important to me. Number two, the swivel seats. Number three, my Maxxair fans. I have two, and I would not change a thing. They have been critical in temperature regulation in this van. Being able to have the door shut and cook right here on my countertop is amazing. So I've got one right here, and I've got one right above my bed. I thought I was gonna want back door windows because I would be a little claustrophobic back here, and I'm not. It's perfect. It gives me light and it gives me air. So definitely, if you're not gonna have an AC, invest in Maxxair fans. And number four for today's video, the final shebang, the final product is my Webasto heater. So you can see it right here. And that one was a really tough decision because so many people have been putting the Chinese diesel heaters in their van that cost a lot less, a fraction of the investment. I guess I just decided I didn't want extra diesel in my garage, and turns out I don't have space for it really anyway. And I wanted to utilize what I had. So I bought the Webasto that taps into my fuel system with the Ram ProMaster. So it taps into a regular gas fuel system. And I found a mechanic who had never installed one before. I'm not gonna say that it wasn't frustrating, but he did it in 2 days, and they have an amazing helpline. So anyone who's gonna install one of these, I highly recommend that you call the helpline, and they will literally walk you through it. So I feel great about this install. And yeah, and waking up on cold mornings and being able to get super warm and toasty is a game changer. And all the products I talked about today are linked below. Okay, y'all, I want to keep today's video nice and short and sweet, and I wanted to tell you a few of the things that have made my life more comfortable out here on the road, living full-time in Vendetta with me and the bees. So if you got some benefit from this video, as always, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'm wishing you all the best on your journey out there, babes.